Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your Spotify playlist on Messenger. So let's start. First, open the Spotify app. When the app opens, you have to go to your library by tapping on your library at the bottom of the screen. And here you will see all of your playlist. Now open the playlist you want to share. Then tap on three dots on top right corner. Now tap on the share option. Now tap on Messenger. And here you will see some suggestions and recent conversations. Now to share your playlist on Messenger to a friend, tap on Send just beside your friend's name. And your playlist will be shared on that conversation. And that's how you can share your Spotify playlist on Messenger. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.